Hello everybody, this is Fehmi the Haider and you are watching Fehmi's Art channel. Today in my video, this creative art video, I will show you how I will actually reveal the secret of success, prosperity and joy in your life by these very beautiful handcrafted crystals which generate the energy, positive energy into your lives. I will show you what to mix, how to mix. The resin pyramids are very good to generate the positivity in your life. But guys, before we proceed, please do follow me on Fehmi's Art channel. Please do subscribe my channel. Click the bell button below, like and share my video, and you will get the amazing tips and techniques on Fehmi's art which are really different from other creative art pieces. It is said the shape of pyramid itself is magical and is filled with mysterious energies which is positive in nature. Placing this energy generator pyramid in your office or home promotes a positive and easy flow of energy and prosperity in your space. So guys, how does this help? Organite crystal helps to filter and balance energy fields in our environment and can aid in strengthening your body energy by converting low energy levels into higher frequencies. That can be very beneficial to your life. Fehmi's Art is the place to buy these beautiful handcrafted organite pyramid, the secret of generating success and prosperity. Guys, my contact details are there in the description box. For more tips and tricks to create amazing art forms, contact Fehmi's Art.